In this video, we are going to explore how to master Linux disk space management through disk usage analysis. We will cover 3 important command line tools. The first is the do command, short for disk usage. The second is the df command, which stands for disk free. And the third is ncdu, which expands to ncurses disk usage. Let's begin with the df command. The df command displays file system disk space usage. It shows mounted file systems and their capacity, offering a quick way to check available space on all partitions. Here's a basic example of how to use the df command. Type df followed by the h option. The h option shows sizes in human-readable format, making it easier to understand. The output will show the file system size, use space, available space, usage percentage, and mount point for each partition, such as root, home, and temporary file system. Now let's explore some advanced options for the df command. The h option, as previously mentioned, displays sizes in a human-readable format. The t option shows the file system type, such as extension 4. The I option displays inode information. The total option shows the total at the bottom. For example, if you type dfht, the output will include an additional column indicating the file system type, whether it is extension 4, XFS, or BTRFS. Next, we'll discuss the do command, which estimates file space usage. It analyzes specific directories and shows the size of files and directories, helping you identify large files or directories. Unlike df, do analyzes specific directories and their contents rather than entire file systems. Here's how to use the do command in its basic form. Type do h asterisk. The s option summarizes and displays only the total, while the h option presents sizes in a human-readable format. The output will show the size of each directory, such as bin, documents, downloads, pictures, and videos. Now let's dive into the advanced options for the do command. Again, the h option provides human-readable sizes. The s option displays only the total size of a directory. The c option shows a grand total for all specified directories. The max depth equals n option limits directory recursion to a certain level. The a option shows all files, not just directories. To find the largest directories, you can combine do with the sort command. For example, type do h max depth equals 1/home/user sort hr. This command lists all directories within /home/user up to a depth of 1, sorts them by size in reverse order, and presents the sizes in a human-readable format. To show the total size with the c option, type do sch downloads /*. The output will show the size of each file in the downloads directory, along with the total. Let's explore some practical usage patterns for the do command. To find large files, you can combine do with the find command. For example, type find/home/user type fsize plus 100m, exec dish, \sort hr. This command finds all files in /home/user that are larger than 100 megabytes, executes the do h command on each file, and then sorts the results by size in reverse order. Combining do with find and sort helps you quickly identify the largest files in a directory structure. To analyze directory growth over time, you can use the watch command. For example, type watch n60, do sh/var/log. This command monitors the /var/log directory and displays its size every 60 seconds, which is useful for tracking log growth. Let's delve into ncdu, which stands for ncurses Disk Usage. It's an interactive text user interface, combining the features of do with a visual interface, offering easy navigation through directories. It helps quickly identify large files and directories. To install ncdu, you can use the following commands based on your operating system. For Debian or Ubuntu, type sudo apt install ncdu. For Fedora or Red Hat Enterprise Linux, type sudo dnf install ncdu. For macOS, use brew install ncdu. To use ncdu, simply type ncdu/home/user. The interface will display a list of directories, and files with their sizes represented visually. The total disk usage, apparent size, and number of items are displayed at the bottom. Now let's explore the advanced features of ncdu, starting with keyboard navigation. Use the up and down arrow keys to navigate items. Press Enter to open a directory and backspace to go back. Press D to delete an item. Press N to sort by name and S to sort by size. Press R to refresh and Q to quit. By pressing the question mark at any time, you can view the help screen with all available commands. Here are some advanced options for ncdu. To stay on one file system, type ncdu. To run ncdu in read-only mode and exclude certain files, type ncdu exclude equals star.log/var. To export a scan to a file, type ncdu disk_usage.ncdu/home. Later, you can view this scan by typing ncdu fdisk_usage.ncdu. Now let's compare the three tools we've discussed. df is excellent for a file system overview, while do is best for directory analysis. ncdu provides interactive navigation and a visual representation of disk usage. ncdu also has limited file management capabilities like deleting files. Here are some best practices for disk usage analysis. Use df for a quick file system overview. Use do for specific directory analysis. Use ncdu for interactive exploration. Regularly monitor disk usage with cron jobs, and export ncdu scans for historical comparison. Each tool has its strengths. Use df for a system-wide overview, do for targeted analysis, and do for interactive exploration. Regular monitoring helps prevent disk space issues before they become critical. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.